What if I told you there's only one bodyweight exercise you need? One exercise that can transform your entire body, build incredible strength, and improve your flexibility all at once. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that exercise is. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to master it, avoid the biggest mistakes, and progress it for any fitness level. So whether you're a complete beginner or already crushing your workouts, this is for you. I'm talking about the push-up, but not just any push-up, the perfect push-up that will change everything about how you train. Here's why the push-up is the ultimate bodyweight exercise. First, it targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously: your chest, shoulders, triceps, and your entire core. But it's not just about strength. Push-ups improve your stability, coordination, and functional movement patterns. Your core has to work overtime to keep your body in perfect alignment. Plus, when done correctly, push-ups actually improve shoulder mobility and posture. The science is clear. Compound movements like this create the most dramatic changes in the shortest time. And the best part? You can do this anywhere, anytime, with zero equipment. No gym membership required, no excuses accepted. Now let me show you exactly how to perform the perfect push-up that will maximize all these benefits. Step 1. Start in a high plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your fingers should be spread wide for maximum stability, and your wrists directly under your shoulders. Step 2. Create a straight line from the top of your head all the way down to your heels. Engage your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Step 3. Lower yourself down by bending your elbows, keeping them at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Go down until your chest is about an inch from the ground. Step 4. Push yourself back up by straightening your arms, maintaining that perfect body line throughout. Breathe in as you lower down, breathe out as you push up. That's one perfect rep. Quality over quantity always. Remember, it's better to do 5 perfect push-ups than 20 sloppy ones. Perfect form is everything. Here are the biggest mistakes I see that kill your results. Mistake number 1. Letting your elbows flare out too wide. This puts unnecessary stress on your shoulders. Mistake number 2. Not going through the full range of motion. You're cheating yourself out of gains. Mistake number 3. Cranking your neck up. Keep your head in neutral alignment with your spine. And mistake number 4. Going too fast. Control the movement. Feel every muscle working. Remember, perfect form trumps everything else. Master the basics before you try to get fancy. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up yet. That's exactly why I'm going to show you how to progress. If you're just starting out, begin with wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall and push against it. Next, progress to incline push-ups using a bench, couch, or stairs. The higher the surface, the easier it is. Then move to knee push-ups, but keep that straight line from your knees to your head. Once you master the standard push-up, you can start adding challenges. Try diamond push-ups for more tricep focus, or decline push-ups with your feet elevated for increased difficulty, and eventually you might even work up to the ultimate challenge, the one-arm push-up. The key is consistent practice and gradual progression. Every expert was once a beginner. So here's my challenge for you. Commit to doing push-ups every single day for the next 30 days. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. I guarantee you'll be amazed at the changes in your strength, your confidence, and your entire body. Remember, you don't need a gym to get strong. You just need consistency, perfect form, and the commitment to show up every day. Drop a comment below and let me know you're taking the challenge. I believe in you, now go make it happen.